Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I'm just doing a quick little get ready with me, talking about what I've been doing this past week. I did get a new camera, so that is also a reason for this video. I wanted to kind of get ready and test out the quality of the camera and the video, because I did get a new camera. It's like my early Christmas present, which I talk about a little bit in the video. So I wanted to record this video kind of like a test video, but at the same time kind of get ready because I do have, I have to go to Walmart and do some errands. So that is what this video is going to be about. If you like these types of videos, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off with my Lancome foundation. I have actually talked about this before. I did a review if you want to check out that review. And I have been wearing this non-stop since I bought it. And I have been using it every single day for work. So like I mentioned in my intro, I am testing out a new camera, which I'm trying to get used to. It is the Canon M200. I got it at Target because they had like the creator kit. That's actually the one that I got. I had gone to Best Buy because they had the Sony Z something, I don't know, it's really popular amongst vloggers. It had really good reviews, but when I went to the store, they said they had one in stock, and when I went, they couldn't find it at the back. The guy was like searching for it and he couldn't find it, and they had another one, but it was like an open box, and I did not want that one because even though it looked like it wasn't used, I didn't want to spend like close to like a good amount of money on something that was already opened and used. So I think it's not used, I think the box is just open. He was like, it's new, it's just that the box is open, but I don't get that. But I didn't want to order it online just because it was gonna take I think it's gonna arrive sometime next week, and I decided not to. I decided to just go ahead and get this one because this one is a lot more cheaper. I was saying I got this one instead of the other one because this one was $500 and the other one was $650, and so with tax it was probably going to be around $700, and it didn't come with anything. It was just the camera, so I decided just to get this one because it did come with the little I guess selfie, not selfie, but the recording stick that has the record button that you can just use to take pictures and record, you know, while holding the camera while vlogging. So I thought it was cheaper, and I had read some good reviews on this one anyways, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like to go ahead and get things instead of waiting for things to get here. So I didn't really want to be patient and wait if I ordered it online, so I just went ahead and got it. So I'm trying to test how good the quality of it works, and hopefully I'm not out of focus, which I think I am. I'm not sure. I think I need to change the settings on it. Move it closer. I think I'm gonna change the settings on it and see if I can get it to work a little bit better if it is blurring out a little bit. But yeah, this one was a lot cheaper and it had more things. It even came with the SD card, so I didn't have to buy one. And this was my early Christmas present, I guess you can say. And I wanted to have it for Christmas so that way I could take pictures. I have another one, another Canon camera, but it's like an older model that doesn't really sync with any of their programs, like their Canon utility. I don't know, it's for like streaming and things like that, so I couldn't really use it for things like that. I mean, I could use it probably to record, but because the quality was still kind of okay, but I couldn't really do much with it. So I got this one, and so far I like it, so we'll see how it keeps on working. I really wanted something that was a little bit more high definition, because I was using my phone and sometimes the quality was like just not there. I have also been renewing my certifications for work, so I've been pretty kind of not busy, but they can be a little bit time consuming because you have to basically read some things and then take a test on it. So I had to have 10 credits in order to renew my certification, and depending on which subject you would pick, they were worth 2 credits or 1 credit. So I decided to do 5 of the 2 credit assignments that they have, and basically all you do is like read over a subject and then take a test on it. So they're actually pretty easy, but the only thing, it's like a little bit time consuming. And then I was trying to do one last weekend. I started on it last weekend and I finished some, and then during the week I was able to finish the other ones. So basically I am done with that and I don't have to worry about that. The only thing is that to renew it, it cost me like $300, and I was like shook because I thought it was going to be cheaper, and it was not. By the way, I am re-loving this Super Lustrous the gloss from Revlon. It looks like it's like a little gold color, but it looks like this. But it's very glossy. It does have a little bit of shimmer, but it's not like that big chunky shimmer glitter type stuff. It's just like a regular lip gloss, and I have been really enjoying this one lately. But yeah, that is what I have been up to. That's why I didn't have like any videos pre-recorded so that I could upload, because I've been trying to do like really good at uploading at least 2 videos a week, or at least 1 a week. So I haven't had the chance to make a video, or not even like coupon, because I wanted to start coupon again, and I've been doing such a good job. But it's like I get to like once I have like something to do and I have to do it, I forget about other stuff that I'm supposed to get done. And so I have been lacking on making videos, because there are some videos that I have one that I want to talk about some skincare products that I just don't think they're worth their money. I wanted to do an update on my Invisalign, because I got done with my Invisalign not too long ago, and I wanted to do a video on like my experience and things like that. I wanted to do a video on a purse that I got on Black Friday, and so I do have like video ideas. It's just that like I haven't had the time to sit down this week because I was renewing my stuff, and like I could wait any longer, because my certifications would expire January the 1st. So I had to get them done this month, because I procrastinated and waited till basically the last minute to do them. And so now I just went ahead and did them. But yeah, but now I am finished, and trying to find my mascara for my bottom lashes. And I'm sorry if I kind of skipped through like the beginning of the video. It's just that my sons are here and I'm trying to record, but they keep on making noises, opening up the refrigerator, but yeah. So that is kind of what I've been doing this week. And my mom wanted to go couponing today, because today is Sunday. and I was thinking of going, but it has been raining this morning, and I don't know, the days that it's kind of like rainy, I don't really like to go out anywhere or do anything. But I am getting ready because I do have to go to Walmart and get a couple of things for the house. We are out of some groceries, so I have to go and do that. And then I wanted to go to her house because she's getting her flooring done. My dad had renewed her kitchen and living room area, and so right now they're doing the flooring, and so I wanted to go see how it's going. But yeah, I guess that is going to be all for this video. I really just wanted to test the quality and see what kind of settings I have to switch up on this camera. So hopefully this camera is a little bit better than my iPhone, and I'm gonna see if I can transfer like video to my phone so that way I can edit on my iPad and see how well that works. But yeah, this is just my little everyday makeup look that I like to do. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.